So as I said, the frame and square fits in right along the front edge. But I now need to make this back edge and the corner nice and square. Start with my 2-inch chisel. Maybe my corner chisel. Take out a lot of this waste in the corner. Again, I don't want to blow out the other side, so I'm only going to go part way, and I'll roll the timber over and go the rest. Maybe shave a little bit right in here. I think it's time to roll the timber over. Do the other side. So I've rolled the timber over, and I'm going to try and clean out this corner with the corner chisel. Which will finish up making this side 2 inches wide. It's time for a check with the frame and square. A little fat there, a little fat there. crumbs in the corner here. Very nice to there. But a bit tight there. And it's good right to the end. Almost done. One spot where it's tight. Very nice, all the way to the end. I'm very happy with that. That's done. Next thing to do is to make this 2 inches thick by taking away this waste. I'll roll the timber over and we'll work on that next.